There are coding books, there are hype manifestos, there are doomsday predictions. But Human V4 is none of this. It's the first AI literacy guide that combines philosophy, technical clarity, practical skills, and ethical depth all in one book. So it's just not about AI. It's about how you think with AI. So get it now, 50% off for the first 100 copies. Prompting isn't a gimmick. It's not just about getting better answers. It's how humans shape the reasoning of machines that don't even think. Every word you type changes how the model stimulates intelligence. That's why prompt engineering is the new literacy. So Human 4.0 gives you the frameworks, the tools and the prompts that actually work. So first 100 copies half price. You are not just a reader of AI content, you are a builder of futures. Every time you use AI to question, design or create, you shape what this technology becomes. That's why I wrote Human V4. It's not here to preach, it's here to give you tools. And the first 100 readers can grab it off for 50% off. AI literacy isn't about memorizing buzzwords. It's about having the tools to think clearly, to design ethically, and use machines wisely. Human V4 arms you with these tools, not just technical but mental ones also. Tools to question AI, to build with it, and also to use it responsibly. So get your copy 50% off for the first 100. You don't need to be an AI engineer, but you need to understand the systems shaping your job, your knowledge, and even your future. AI literacy is no longer optional, it's survival. So, Human V4 is your toolkit to stay relevant in the age of smart machines. First 100 copies, 50% off. Link in bio. This isn't a book for techies only. It's for students, creators, leaders, anyone who wants to stay relevant in the age of intelligence. AI isn't just shaping the future alone. You are part of this. That's why Human V4 exists to give you the map. And first 100 readers get 50% off. Don't miss it. You can code. You have used AI tools. But do you really know what's happening under the hood? So start with plane 2, the machine plane. So here you will understand how models like GPT actually work, from transformers to the tokenization. Then jump to the myth plane to cut through the hype. That's how you will finally get clarity. The full framework is in my book, Human V4. So first 100 copies, 50% off. Buy your copy now. Confused about AI but finally wanted to understand it? So start with plane 1, the mind plane. That's where you will learn what intelligence is and what it isn't. So you will see brains differ from neural networks and why language models seem smart even they aren't. So skip nothing, and this is your foundation. And if you want the full roadmap, my Human V4 is 50% off for the first 100 readers. So link below. AI is powerful, but without literacy, it is dangerous. And Human V4 is a toolkit to help you spot bias and ask better questions and design ethical futures. It's not about worshipping machines, it's about equipping humans, and you are a part of this transformation. And the first 100 readers will get 50% off. Link below.